Hello, I am Markov Yuri, the Darker Lord's wife. And today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Alex Gassy World. It's from a video called Chiako Gassy Beach Day. That video was uploaded on November 29, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 0:36 to 0:48. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now it's time to preview the sound effect. See, that's how it sounds like. This sound effect is only used when I take a dump in the toilet. Oh, and by the way, the total seconds are 12. Ugh. Ow. My stomach hurts. I better go to the bathroom and test it. That feels so much better. Remember kids, just use this farting sound effect when you need to go to the bathroom. It starts at 0:36 and ends at 0:48. The video is in the description. Make sure you remove the music at the beginning and end.